Current mileage on the car is 16,850 miles. I've had a couple requests to check out the interior a little bit better, to see a little bit better video of the interior. I'll turn the key on so you can actually start the car. There you go, you can see it's running. Only the brake light's on because the emergency brake is pulled right now. No other lights are on. Interior radio, that works. Don't see any scratches or anything like that on here. There's the passenger seat. It's a little dirty, it's got to be vacuumed, but otherwise it's completely fine. Passenger door panel. The headliner. There is a home link there. Program your garage door opener. It's the dome light buttons. And that's the passenger airbag off. Just little hooks. Somebody commented that they thought this was water damage. It's not water damage. There's never been water inside the car. And I'm assuming that's just from somebody's arm sitting on here pressing the leather a little bit. But you can see it's not a straight line. It's just probably from somebody resting their arm on the car door. Just like that. That's why it doesn't carry any farther forward than where my fingertips are. And that's why you don't see it any farther back than where a person's elbow would be. So that's just average wear. In other words, there's no other markings on the door. You can see the seat. Nothing wrong with that. That was just prints. Cloth there. Here's all up on under the dash. Show the engine again. I don't know why, but here you can see the throttle bodies are two different colors. I had nothing to do with it. I don't know if they come from the factory or if one throttle body was replaced. They are a little different. Down in the engine. Shuts just fine. There are no noticeable marks on the car, but if you see, let me shut the car off so you can hear me a little better. You can see this car has a the 3M clear plastic bra on the front of it, the paint protector. Looks like it's on yeah, it's on the front bumper cover. The fender's back to here, just behind the headlights, and on the front half of the hood. Just the hood piece alone has a couple of smudges in it. Right there's a little dot. You know, here it looks like there's a bug splattered or something had gone back. Looks like it's nothing directly on the paint itself. Maybe that can be buffed out a little bit. If you have any questions, feel free to email us. Thank you.